Want a homemade cream that removes dark spots, pigmentation, pimples and brightens your skin? This Liquorice face cream works like magic. Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today I'm making a natural Liquorice face cream that helps to treat pigmentation, acne marks, pimples and helps in anti-aging too. This is a 100% chemical free cream which lightens and brightens your skin as well, and this natural cream is perfect for daily use. So now without further ado, let's see how to prepare this highly effective face cream. So to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need Liquorice powder, or it's also known as Mulethi powder. So just take approx half a teaspoon of this Liquorice powder into a clean bowl. Now next up, you're gonna need rose water, and here I'm adding a little bit of rose water into it. And now after adding the rose water, I'm just mixing both these ingredients really well so that they both mix with each other nicely and makes a smooth and a lump-free paste. Now after mixing them well, now we have to strain this paste so that all the lumps could be removed and we can get a very fine paste to prepare our cream. So now using a strainer, I'm just straining this paste, and after straining this paste, as you can see that all the lumps and the grains of licorice has been collected into the strainer. So we just remove this and we'll use this fine licorice paste. And now the next ingredient which we need is glycerin, and here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of glycerin into it. Next up, we are going to need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And after adding this oil, just give a slight mix to all these ingredients so that they all combine well. And after mixing them well, now it's time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And now after adding the aloe vera gel, just mix until it makes into a creamy and a smooth consistency cream. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade Liquorice or Mulethi cream is ready, and it will look something like this. This cream should be supremely creamy and glossy as I'm showing you in the video. So now to store this cream, I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container. You can use any airtight container to store this cream, and this cream is highly effective in treating your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, and it also treats your pimples very easily. It also has anti-aging benefits into it, so it will fade away your fine lines and wrinkles as well. And you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 30 days. And to use this cream is supremely easy. Just use this cream as you normally use any other cream. Just apply a generous amount of this cream onto your skin and gently massage it in upward and circular motion, and let this cream absorb deeply into your skin. And yeah, for the best results, you just have to use this cream once or twice in a day. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.